So now let's see how we can use the alignment option inside of Tinkercad. So to do that, I'm just going to go around, throw these things around in random place, in random height. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select them all. Or you can also select out individual items just like this, or shift select them out according to what items you want to be aligned. So in my case, I'm just going to select them all by clicking and dragging everything right here. So on the top, you can see that there's this align option. And if I were to click on align, what happens is that I get this tool right here. So what I can do is if I were to go around and click on the center, everything is aligned onto the center. Let me just press Ctrl Z. So now if you were to go on to the align tool, you see it right here and it shows a preview of how everything will be aligned. So you can go around, align it onto the left, align it to the center, onto the end, and then onto the bottom. So let's say, for example, if I want everything on the ground, I can go around and press this and you can see that everything is in the ground plane now. And if I were to go around over here, everything is arranged onto the center point now, and so forth. Let's say now I want everything to be aligned onto this shape. I can simply click over here and then everything gets aligned onto that single space right here. So everything is there, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is select this, and then if I were to go to align over here on the single object, I can align it accordingly. Let's say, for example, this object is over here. If I were to select everything, go on to align, click on this, then what I can do is I can align them all together on this row as well. And that is how you can work around with the alignment tool inside of Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.